Oh God. Schindler. Oh God, this is lovely. As for New York City code requirement, it has a stop switch. Indicators completely. Why is the whole swing panel out?
That is not a good sign.
This thing sucks. Whatever used to be there is gone.
Yeah.
Alright. You wanna go?
No, let's go back up, I guess.
Okay. We didn't get a chance to check.
Skittles. The indicator's completely dead. Alright, let's see if we have a motor.
No, we do not.
No, we do not. It's just a basic one. Of course.
Oh.
That was horrible.
Oh.
Yeah.
Get me off this thing.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, the elevator is 0 to 10. At least a 1 out of 10. The only thing, the only exception is the good background.
Well, that's it.